In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what can happen with a voice agent for kitchen tune-up, where the lead is called immediately once they submit a form. It could even be for your website. And by the way, this is just an example. These voice agents can be for inbound and outbound, etc. But here we go. I'm going to pretend that I'm a lead, and this is the pretend form. And here we go. Let's see how fast it takes. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, about 4 seconds. So again, I'm pretending I'm interested in kitchen tune-up. I've filled out a form. Here we go. Hello? Yes, speaking.
Hi, Brian. This is Grace calling from Kitchen Tune-Up. I'm an AI assistant, and if it's okay with you, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the form you filled online before transferring you to the appropriate kitchen renovation specialist. And by the way, this call is being recorded for quality assurance. So, how can I help you today?
I like to do a complete revamp of my kitchen, like a complete new kitchen.
Great. I understand you're interested in a full kitchen remodel with brand new cabinetry and layout changes. Would you like to schedule a free in-home consultation, or would you like to know more about our services first?
Can you tell me more about the complete remodeling service for the kitchen?
Absolutely. Our complete kitchen remodeling service includes custom cabinets, which means you get a brand new kitchen layout designed just for you. You can choose from countless colors, materials, door styles, and finishes. This service allows you to add more cabinets, change the layout, and accommodate new or larger appliances. It's the most comprehensive option we offer and gives you total flexibility to create your dream kitchen. Would you like to schedule a free in-home consultation to discuss your ideas and get a personalized quote? Or do you have any specific questions about the process?
If you could tell me a little bit about like how much it costs and what the process is.
The kitchen remodel with custom cabinets, the investment is typically the highest among our services. The cost can vary widely depending on the size of your kitchen, the materials you choose, and any special features or layout changes. Most full remodels start around $120 per linear foot for cabinetry, but the total project cost will depend on your selections and scope. As for the process, it begins with a free in-home consultation where we discuss your needs, measure your space, and talk about your style preferences. After that, our design team creates a custom plan and provides a detailed quote. Once you approve the design, we order materials and schedule installation. The timeline depends on the complexity, but a full remodel usually takes several weeks from start to finish. Would you like to schedule a free in-home consultation so we can give you a more accurate estimate and walk you through the options?
Yeah, let's do that.
Great. Do you have a preferred day or time for your free in-home consultation? We're available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays by appointment.
Well, when is your next available time?
Let me check our next available appointment for you. Our next available times are tomorrow, Thursday, between 9 and 11 a.m., 12 to 1 p.m., or 4 to 5 p.m. Do any of those work for you?
Yeah, but you know what? Let's maybe try for Friday. What do you got going on Friday?
Let me check our available times for Friday. On Friday, we have openings from 9 to 10 a.m., 11 a.m., to noon, and 1 to 4 p.m. Is there a time in that range that works best for you?
Let's do the 9 a.m. on Friday, please.
You're booked in for Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. You're booked in. What is your address, please?
My address is 36 Belvedere Boulevard.
Just to confirm, your address is 36 Belvedere Boulevard. You're all set. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. Do you have any other questions?
No, I don't. Thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and our kitchen renovation specialist looks forward to assisting you. Thanks and take care.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so you can see how it's not perfect. It's good, but it's not perfect. This is just a demo. Like obviously we would do way more testing, and there's some of the scripting I would change. But basically we got all the data about that what she was talking about. That was all pulled from the website. And you can see here the appointment went into my schedule, and an email obviously will come shortly. So let me go over high level about how this all works. So inbound and outbound, we do both, right? With these voice agents, this can work day and night. It can be after hours if you don't want to do this while because you have a team that does this job, but maybe after hours, late evenings or on weekends, whatever, we could do that. The script is 100% customizable, obviously. This voice could be male or female. We can speed it up, we can slow it down, we can increase the volume, decrease the volume, we can customize it, in other words. And you can see the really great thing about this is that if you're paying for ads or you're doing shared, like Angie List or some kind of shared marketing, you would obviously be if the first person to the first company to call that lead, most likely because it's in 4 seconds that the lead will get called. And we can tweak that, by the way, if we need to. And what else here? So an event is created as you saw in my calendar, in the leads calendar, whether it be Google or Outlook, etc. A voice agent books a lead, updates your CRM and or Google Sheets, records and summarizes the call. And we actually have a dashboard that you can see all the data in, like how long the call was, what kind of sentiment it was, did they book, did they not book, all that stuff. If the lead did not book a call, follow-ups with them can happen. So this is really cool. So a couple things might happen. The lead might say, well, I'm busy right now. Can you call me back later? So the AI will call back later. Or they might say, the lead might say, well, I'm not ready right now, but thank you for your call, or thank you for sharing that information, whatever. The voice agent can call back. Let's say the next day we can program that, like we can set that automation up, and it'll call back. Say, let's say the next day it might say something like, hey John, or hey Brian, this is Grace again from Kitchen Tune-Up. Last time we were talking about how you want to do a full renovation of your kitchen. I'm just curious if you still want to book that free in-home consultation, whatever that scripting is, right? And it can do this automatically within a workflow of emails and text messages, but also voice or just voice. Now, again, obviously this is just a demo. There's way more rigorous testing we have to do. We basically have to talk to you and or your team, find out all the scenarios that could happen, what kind of questions people are typically asking or atypically, put that all into our AI so that the AI can answer appropriately. Let's see what else. If the lead wants to speak with someone on your team, they can transfer the call without any issue. And the cool thing is when they transfer the call to your team, they actually summarize it verbally to the person about what happened. So it might be something like, hey, I got John on the line here. He wants a full renovation of his kitchen, and he wants it right away. Take over the call, whatever that scripting is, right? And I told you about updates to CRM and Google Sheets. And also the cool thing about this too is we can place a voice widget similar to what you just heard on the website or landing page that people can ask questions and book appointments, etc., right on your website without a chat bot, because everybody hates chatbots because you actually have to type. But and it takes forever. But with the voice agent, it's faster and it's more friendly and it gives a better customer experience. So hope that helps, and I look forward to speaking with you.